So this doe here, she is getting ready to have babies. I think day 29 or something like that was yesterday. So I went ahead and put her nest box in. And I usually just start throwing hay in here. She's already eaten most of the hay I put in. I'll just throw it in there, and when she gets ready, she'll take it in and put it in her nest box. And so we'll just keep doing this until she has her babies. Hopefully she's going to have some. I bred her last time and she didn't have any, but check back with her tomorrow and see how she's doing. And this is the other female. This will be her first litter if she comes through and is pregnant, which I think she is, because you can tell here where they've been digging. And usually they don't dig they don't dig on the bottom of the cage unless they're bred. They're trying to burrow and stuff. And so she may not realize what to do the first go around, but she'll figure it out. Alright guys, we're going to go check out some baby rabbits. One of my females, she didn't have babies, so I think she's getting a little old. But the other one, I think she had several. I'm going to go check them out. I say several. It didn't feel like a whole lot the other day. But I touched them long enough to know that she had them. I didn't count them, so we're going to check them out. Sweet. Look at this, guys. This little guy is going to look cool. So she only had 3. She had a black one. Oh, don't fall. She had a black one and a white one. And they jump around like that because they think the mama's here. Watch this. Oh! Watch this. So I think it's all of them. Sometimes you have to be careful before you move the cage. If she's had a bunch of them, they might jump beside the boxes, but it seems to be all she had was 3. This is her first litter, so I don't discount her for that. But I do want to, I'm excited that I'll probably end up keeping this guy, whether it's a female or a male. Man, some cool. So I'm excited. She gave me, she had some broken genes in her, because this female, she was bred before that female, and she still hasn't made a nest, and so I think she's just she's getting too old. I'm gonna try to breed her one more time and see if she'll have a litter. If not, maybe I'll sell her as a pet. So, you're doing good, Mama. And so now we'll leave them in here for, I don't know, really how long it takes them to open their eyes. Once they get where they can get in and out of the cage pretty well, and I notice them eat and feed, which is probably maybe 2 weeks, because 6 weeks we'll wean them. So anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, we'll take this nest box out. They'll be eating food. The mama, she'll teach them how to use this little nipple drinker. and then they'll get moved into this big pen over here whenever I wean them. Max. So if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.